Take a look at this chart of oil from 2012 through 2014, during the heyday of high prices. This picture shows you one way to spot when a top is coming, okay? Down at the bottom, there are two very important lines. The black line shows you open interest in the oil futures, okay, right here. That's the total number of outstanding futures contracts. And the red line shows you the net long or short positions of commercial hedgers. Every week we get commitments of traders data from the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, right? And they show you what small speculators, larger speculators, and commercial hedgers are doing with their oil futures, as Carly Garner has often explained to us. Williams believes, I think correctly, that the commercials have the best understanding of the energy markets. These are the people who are actually involved in the industry day to day. They're not gambling. So Williams likes to look at the relationship between what the commercials are doing and the broader oil futures market. When open interest rises, it means there are more contracts being open, but you need to know who's the driving force behind those contracts. In a situation where open interest is rising, but the commercial hedgers are lightening up on their positions, well, that tells you that it tells Williams that the new buyers are probably weak hands. In other words, when the black line, okay, goes up while the red line's going down, that's usually a sign that oil's about to peak. Sure enough, we saw this exact pattern happen four times in 2012 through 2014, which he thinks is the analogous period. I tend to agree with him. Now let's look at the same data, but for 2021. Look at this. It's the same pattern, the exact same pattern. Commercial hedgers, okay, net red, they are unloading the oil futures, while hedge funds and home gamers have been buying. So you see the red going down, we have that, and the others are buying. This is precisely what we get before we hit a peak.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.